In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show busy on Google Calendar. If you want to make it clear that a block of time is off limits for meetings or calls, marking an event as busy is the simplest way to do it. Let's walk through it step by step so you can confidently set it once and move on. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. You'll land on your calendar view where you can see your schedule by day, week, or month. Any view works for this. Next, decide whether you're creating a new event or updating one that's already on your calendar. If you're starting fresh, click the Create button near the top left, or simply click directly on the date and time you want to block. If you're adjusting something that already exists, just click that event on your calendar to open it. When you open an existing event, you'll see a quick preview. Click the pencil icon to open the full event details. This takes you to the editing screen where you can make changes that affect how the event behaves and how others see it. Inside the event details, look for the availability setting. It's usually near a small briefcase icon and may be labeled availability or marked with a drop-down. This control tells Google Calendar whether to show this time as free or busy to people who can view your availability. Click the drop-down and choose busy. This is the key setting. Busy means that during this event's time, your calendar is blocked out to others who check your free busy status. If you leave it as free, the time will appear open, even though the event is on your calendar. Now scroll down and click Save. If you created a new event, you'll see it added to your calendar right away. If you edited an existing one, your changes will be applied. After saving, that time slot will show as busy, helping teammates and scheduling tools avoid that period. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If this is a repeating block, like daily focus time, set it as a recurring event before saving so it stays busy every time. For an entire day off, create an all-day event and keep its availability set to busy to block the whole day. And remember, what others see depends on your sharing settings, but marking an event as busy is what actually protects that time. That's it. Simple, reliable, and effective.